Yo YouTube, just a really quick video today. I'm going to be quickly running through the steps showing you how to get Netflix for free in 2025. This is going to save you a bunch of money because I'm sure you're aware Netflix is pretty expensive. This is going to get you a free Netflix premium pass and it's going to save you around $20 US a month, which is absolutely insane. It takes a few minutes to do this, guys, and you got to make sure you use your mobile phone, and you are going to be able to get a Netflix promo code that you can redeem, and it's going to basically supply you with your free subscription. So you need to use a mobile. Like I said, I'm using an iPhone, but it doesn't matter which phone you have, just have an internet connection and go to www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it like that, guys, into your internet browser to go to Cold Coupons. Awesome website. They actually have loads of pages on here, so you can actually scroll through and see what else they have. But so if you just go to the search bar in the top there and search for Netflix, it should pop up here, Netflix free 12 months. As you can see, guys, this is a verified coupon. This is a free 12 months Netflix subscription, and this is Netflix Premium as well. Highly rated, been used a ton, and yeah, basically show full code. So what you're going to get, guys, is a code that you can redeem on the Netflix website, and it's going to basically supply you with a free 12-month premium. And you can see, guys, it says your code is ready and will be revealed in the box below after verification. So essentially, guys, I've already done this, and you can see these codes are limited. There is a ton of them, but they are limited, and it does limit one code per person. So what you're going to need to do, guys, is tap get full code, and there's going to be a new screen. It's going to tell you how to go ahead and unlock your code. It will take you about 5 minutes. Just follow the instructions. If you do everything correctly, your Netflix code will be unlocked and you can redeem it. And yeah, that is how to get Netflix for free in 2025. So yeah, you just got to go to Cold Coupons and just search for the Netflix page, guys. And once you do that, you can go ahead and grab your code and just follow the steps to unlock it. Super easy. So enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.